Hey, so let's talk about Freya. What's up? Welcome to the studio. I'm Pan Lee. This is my dog. His name is Star-Lord. You might be asking yourself, hey Pan Lee, what's the big deal? The big deal is this right here. Freya VILOMAH. You mean Freya V. You're right. Yeah, so my name's Pan Lee. This is my studio, and let's cut to the shenanigans. This is Freya V, Freya VILOMAH. It's a Beyblade I designed after the plastic gin, influenced from Freya, that comes from the Beyblade series that I've created and put out as a fan fiction kind of Beyblade comic. It's on Webtoons right now. This is just a tribute, just a tribute. Tenacious D, just a tribute. Anyways, yeah, so, here's a little better look at the Beyblade. So yeah, this is something you can pick up off of shapeways.com. It's the place where most people go and get their Beyblades printed, I think, unless they print it themselves or have a friend who prints it through their 3D printers and whatnot. But yeah, you can go get your very own through shapeways.com. If you look me up, Panley37, you might even be able to find it under Freya, F-R-E-Y-A, and then Beyblade. It's plastic gin. I might have tagged it with plastic gin on there, I'm not too sure. It'll come on an old school kind of rack thing that the old Beyblades used to come on. You just like take them off, get little clippers like this, like these, like this, like this, of course. Woo, whatever. Order this as well. This here is a weight disc. It was custom made for Freya V. But yeah, you'll get all the little plastic parts, and then you can go to Teespring and get yourself a sticker sheet. Gives you all these fancy little stickers. There's some on the blade base too. And then you'll have that. An official Bay Fight sticker as well. It's kind of cool. Little indicators right here, pictures, just pictures of what it is, the pictures, some pictures. So do you guys want to see a battle or what? No, Pan, we don't. So if you like today's video, be sure to subscribe and like, leave a comment. Tell me what you liked about it. Tell me what I can add. Tell me what I can take out. Tell me what you want to see. New Beyblades, new art. I'm going to do some videos on me drawing Icky and all sorts of things. As well as my original comic, The Safe Side, will be out. Here's some of that right there. Boom, right there. Pan Peasley. And The Safe Side. I will be releasing some of that stuff later, but yeah, if you see this, I'm gonna put some more magic right here, scrolling through of things like shapeways and things to click on, all that cool stuff. Spring Tea or Teespring, yeah, Teespring, woo!
But yeah, also go to my Patreon, click there, support me if you want to help out. And just to let you know, I think you're cool. Bye.